MiniSmart. Yeah, MiniSmart.
Hi everybody, I'm MiniSmart's mama. If your kids are looking to learn here with MiniSmart, then come along on this adventure. MiniSmart will be teaching basic shapes, colors, numbers, letters in 5 different languages. Right, baby?
Yeah.
In 5 different languages. MiniSmart loves teaching kids just like you.
Hi, I'm MiniSmart. Bravo, yes, I'm MiniSmart. Ah, yes, I'm MiniSmart. Bonjour, je suis MiniSmart. Yeah, MiniSmart.
If you like this learning channel, then click that like button to help many more kids see it and they can have fun learning too. We will have some more cool, fun, educational videos coming your way, so smash that subscribe button and stay tuned. We also wanted to take a moment to thank each and every one of you. We really appreciate your support, and it makes us happy knowing that there's thousands of children learning and watching your videos while they're having fun. Thank you again, and we'll see you all soon. Love, MiniSmart.
Love MiniSmart. Bye.
Bye.